Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix restore master boot record Windows 11 and Windows 10 won't boot. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type dir space, /a. Boot folder and boot mgr files are available, delete boot folder and boot mgr file. Type disk part. Type list disk. No star under GPT indicates the system partition type is MBR. Type list volume. Volume 1 is system volume and volume 2 is Windows volume. D drive is Windows installed drive letter. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive liter colan / Windows space, /s space, system drive colan. Type bootrec space, /fix mbr. Type cd space, boot. Attrib space, -h space, -r space, -s space, bcd. Type ren space, bcd space, bcd25.old. Type bootrec space, /rebuild bcd. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.